In a world driven by precision and innovation, the smallest components often make the biggest difference. At KUK Coils, we specialize in manufacturing of custom coils and assemblies for advanced applications with a worldwide footprint. Our teams in Europe, Asia, and Africa guide your product from feasibility and prototyping to large-scale production. Our expertise covers a broad range of wire processing, from classic copper wires to special alloys and microcoils using ultra-fine wires. Thanks to our pioneering capabilities, including edgewise winding and connection techniques, we deliver solutions that meet the most demanding requirements. Leading companies in automotive, industrial automation, medical technology, and sensor markets rely on our competence and flexibility. We combine engineering know-how with consistent Swiss quality and global supply chains. To deliver on that promise, all of our processes, from cleanroom facilities to final inspection, are backed by rigorous quality certifications, ensuring your product is a top performer in your industry. Our internal automation team builds the winding and assembly lines, making sure each one is tailored to your specific product and quantity. Whether you are an engineer seeking technical support, a buyer looking for reliable partners, or a talented individual considering a new challenge, at KUK Coils, you will find expertise, reliability, and independence.